PS bundle time. PS bundle time. PS bundle time. What's up, Backmates? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. So if you love all things 31 and you want to know what's in the hab, go ahead and subscribe and join our tribe. Give this video a big like if you love knowing what's coming up, and share this video with all your friends and family. Ladies, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 4 new PS bundles that will be launching on Monday. We are in the middle of May and there is still so much to come. Ladies, as you all know, this month Rockstar's giveaway to y'all is BOGO Buy One and Gift One event. So when you place an order with me this month, you get to give the gift of 31 to anyone special who needs a little sunshine in their life. I always have a monthly mystery hostess. That link is down below. You earn a chance to win all of May's rewards. And ladies, this mystery hostess never disappoints, right? There are a ton of shopping opportunities this month, like the first set of PS bundles that came out earlier this month. The snackers today and Saturday, the 16th, are the last days. Hello Happies, if you're loving any of the Hello Happies, those are out as well. And don't forget, girls, that when you shop those, they totally unlock the customer special, okay? Even when you add personalization to one of your favorite products, that personalization totally counts to help you get that customer special. Hello! And then lastly, if you have been sleeping, summer has officially launched today, and guess what? You get to shop both catalogs until the end of August. Now remember, the summer catalog, it's called We Love Summer. It is out until August, and basically it's having an outlet the entire summer. So ladies who always wait for July for that outlet sale, you no longer have to wait because it is the whole catalog, okay? And yes, those products, mix and match any of them to get that $50 in your cart. You can totally unlock anything for 50% off. Now, if you want a copy of the spring catalog, I'll put a link down below in the description. If you want a copy of the summer catalog, feel free to hit me up in the Google Docs down below, or you can check out the link down below just for you, okay? I try to make things easy for you girls, okay? And lastly, if you want to get in on all the fun with 31, there are 3 ways you could totally get in. That $1 kit free enrollment, those 2 kits, which is the signature kit and the custom kit, and then launching today. Stay tuned for more detail. There is the Summer Days social kit. Remember last year when you joined for a certain amount and you got a certain amount of gift card credit? That concept is basically back. For $99, you get $231 in credit. That is a super steal. Feel free to chat with me or the consultant that you totally want to work with, and we can totally strategize on how to maximize this credit to your advantage. All right, ladies, so let's go ahead and get to the PS bundles. PS bundle time. 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 We have up first is called the home office set. This is $58, perfect for those working from home, especially teachers. This sturdy organizing caddy with goal getter embroidery plus matching document box are ideal for office and desktop clutter. Store papers, file folders, gradebooks, or planners in this portable set, or think beyond the classroom to organize craft supplies, cleaning products, toiletries, DVDs, or pantry items. All right, next is our Glitz and Glamour set for $61. Add some glamour to your everyday beauty routine with this sweet set. This toiletry bag and 2 cute caddies make it easy to organize your bathroom or vanity. Keep makeup, lotion, hair care products, and other daily essentials separate and easy to find. Plus, one of the caddies even features adorable little beauty bag embroidery. Next, we got Sunny Days set for $108. Prepare for warm weather with this spring-worthy set. With this leak-lock thermal lining, the picnic thermal tote can hold ice directly inside to keep drinks and food cool for a day at the park or a peaceful hike. Plus, it fits snugly into the deluxe utility tote with Sunshine State of Mind embroidery. Fill the rest of the durable tote with picnic blankets, toys, extra clothing layers, or other supplies for outdoor activities. Finally, tuck the zipper pouch inside for a handy little bag to store snacks, sunscreen, or your phone. And lastly, we have Backyard Bashet for $158. Enjoy some fresh air right at home with solution set built for backyard picnics. Carry drinks and ice in the hands-free backpack cooler with leak lock thermal lining and find joy in the journey personalization, complete with embroidered compass. Transport food, snacks, utensils, blankets, and games in 2 small utility totes. After all, dining's more fun al fresco. All right, ladies, there you have it, your 4 PS bundles. Remember, you could totally use these to qualify you for your customer reward, or you can put $50 in your cart and you can get one of these PS bundles for 50% off. Remember, what you see is what you get, so those personalizations are included. You cannot add to it and you cannot subtract it. You can't substitute it, but these are those one-click and shipped kind of gift ready ideas. Again, just like everything in the summer catalog, it is while supplies last. So if there's something that you are loving, grab it sooner than later. A Rockstar tip just for you: if you're planning to do a shopping spree, like I'm talking about $200 plus in shopping, contact me so I can hook you up with a shopping link so you can totally get the rewards for yourself, and you can get invited to the Insider event that's happening in June. Exclusive summer prints just for you, just for being an insider and just being an A-lister, okay? I'll see you tomorrow during Bag Babe TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the latest with 31 news. Here's my most recent video, and here's an awesome playlist just for you to check out.